Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why your skin feels thinner, your joints ache more, or why you feel tired even after a full night's sleep? After age 50, your body loses collagen at 1.5% every year, and by 60, you've lost nearly 30% of the collagen that keeps your skin firm, joints flexible, and muscles strong. 6 specific superfoods can trigger your body to rebuild collagen naturally, with some showing results in just 2 weeks. The 6th superfood on today's list increases collagen production by 40%, while reducing joint pain by 35%. Hit that like button. If you're ready to take control of aging naturally, subscribe for more health solutions and share this with someone who needs to feel strong again. Tell me in the comments your age and which symptom affects you most: joint stiffness, skin changes, or low energy. Now let's discover these 6 collagen rebuilding superfoods. The truth about collagen loss after 50. Collagen makes up 30% of all protein in your body and serves as scaffolding for bones, joints, muscles, blood vessels, and skin. When you reach 50, hormonal changes accelerate collagen breakdown beyond normal aging. Chronic inflammation creates free radicals that attack collagen fibers, while your body becomes less efficient at absorbing nutrients needed to build new collagen. University of California, San Francisco studied 500 adults over 50 for 5 years. Those who maintained higher collagen levels through targeted nutrition had 60% fewer mobility issues, 45% better skin elasticity, and significantly more energy. The encouraging news is that collagen has a fast turnover rate. Your skin completely replaces its collagen every 2 to 3 months, meaning positive nutrition changes show results faster than you expect. Superfood number 1. Bone broth. Bone broth provides ready-made collagen building blocks that your digestive system immediately recognizes and uses. When you simmer bones from grass-fed animals for 12 to 24 hours with apple cider vinegar, you extract collagen, hyaluronic acid, and chondroitin sulfate that rebuild joint cartilage, improve skin hydration, and strengthen gut lining. Pennsylvania State University tracked 60 adults over 55 who consumed 12 ounces of bone broth daily for 8 weeks. Participants showed 25% improvement in joint mobility, 30% reduction in morning stiffness, and significantly better skin hydration. Blood tests revealed increased levels of amino acids essential for new collagen formation. Choose bones from grass-fed cattle or free-range chickens. Beef knuckle bones and chicken feet provide the highest collagen content. Add vegetables and herbs for minerals and anti-inflammatory compounds. Drink bone broth on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning or between meals. Start with 6 to 8 ounces daily and gradually increase. Most people notice improved joint comfort within the first week, while skin improvements become visible after 3-4 weeks. Superfood number 2. Wild-caught salmon. Wild-caught salmon provides marine collagen, omega-3 fatty acids, and astaxanthin that create ideal conditions for collagen synthesis. Marine collagen contains higher concentrations of glycine and proline, amino acids that serve as primary building blocks for human collagen. Studies show marine collagen peptides are absorbed 1.5 times more efficiently than bovine collagen. Astaxanthin gives salmon its pink color and acts as internal sunscreen, protecting newly formed collagen from oxidative damage. Research in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found people consuming astaxanthin-rich foods showed 40% less collagen degradation when exposed to UV light. The omega-3 fats reduce chronic inflammation that accelerates collagen breakdown and improve blood circulation to deliver nutrients to skin and joints. Choose Alaskan wild-caught varieties like sockeye, coho, or king salmon. Avoid Atlantic salmon, which is farmed and contains lower omega-3 levels plus potential toxins. Prepare using gentle cooking methods like baking, poaching, or light grilling to preserve nutrients. Aim for 4 to 6 ounces twice weekly, including the skin, which contains concentrated collagen. Most people report improved skin texture and reduced joint stiffness within 4 to 6 weeks. Superfood number 3. Egg whites from pasture-raised chickens. Egg whites from pasture-raised chickens provide complete amino acid profiles for collagen synthesis, containing concentrated amounts of proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline that form collagen's structure. Pasture-raised chickens consume natural diets resulting in eggs with higher concentrations of sulfur-containing amino acids essential for collagen cross-linking. University of California, Davis found pasture-raised eggs contained 38% more glycine and 25% more proline than conventional eggs, plus higher levels of lysine and arginine that support vitamin C-dependent collagen formation. Egg whites also contain elastin precursors that help maintain skin flexibility and selenium that protects existing collagen from free radical damage. Consume egg whites from 2 to 3 pasture-raised eggs daily. Cooking improves protein digestibility and nutrient absorption. Eating them in the morning supports the body's natural collagen repair processes that peak during early daytime hours. Look for eggs labeled pasture-raised rather than just free-range. Within 6 to 8 weeks, many adults report stronger nails, improved skin texture, and better joint comfort. Superfood number 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds provide zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats in concentrations that dramatically improve collagen production. 1/4 cup delivers nearly half your daily zinc requirement, and zinc deficiency is why collagen synthesis slows with age. Zinc serves as a cofactor for enzymes that convert amino acids into mature collagen and protects existing collagen from enzymatic breakdown. University of Michigan followed 120 adults over 60 with varying zinc levels for 12 weeks. Those with optimal zinc status showed 35% better collagen synthesis markers and significantly improved wound healing. Pumpkin seeds also provide magnesium, which activates vitamin D that supports collagen production in bones and joints, and omega-3 alpha-linolenic acid that reduces inflammation. Choose raw, organic pumpkin seeds and consume with vitamin C-rich foods to enhance mineral absorption. Eat as snacks, sprinkle on salads, or blend into smoothies. Light toasting with sea salt improves flavor while preserving nutrients. Start with 1/4 cup daily. Many people notice stronger nails and improved skin texture within 4 to 6 weeks. Superfood. Number 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits provide vitamin C and bioflavonoids that boost collagen production and protect existing collagen from damage. Vitamin C is essential as your body cannot form stable collagen without adequate levels. It acts as a cofactor for enzymes that modify amino acids, allowing them to form the stable structure that gives collagen its strength. Different citrus fruits provide varying benefits. Oranges offer steady vitamin C release. Grapefruits provide naringenin that boosts collagen gene expression. Lemons contain citric acid that enhances mineral absorption. Oregon State University found people consuming fresh citrus fruits daily maintained higher collagen levels and showed less skin aging than those using synthetic vitamin C supplements alone. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed 400 women over 55 for 2 years. Those consuming fresh citrus fruits daily had significantly better skin appearance, with 25% less wrinkling and better skin tone. For optimal support, aim for 1 to 2 servings of fresh citrus daily, varying types to get different beneficial compounds. Eat whole fruit rather than juice to get fiber and additional nutrients. Choose organic when possible. Superfood. Number 6. Leafy greens. Leafy greens provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support every stage of collagen production while protecting existing collagen from breakdown. They provide vitamin K that activates proteins regulating collagen production, folate that supports DNA synthesis and cellular repair essential for producing new collagen, and lutein and zeaxanthin that protect collagen from photo damage. The mineral content supports collagen in multiple ways. Iron transports oxygen to collagen-producing cells, copper assists in cross-linking collagen fibers, and manganese activates enzymes in collagen synthesis. High chlorophyll content provides magnesium-supporting energy production needed for collagen formation. Tufts. University analyzed diets of 1,200 adults over 50 for 5 years. Those consuming at least 2 servings of leafy greens daily showed significantly better preservation of skin collagen and lower inflammatory markers associated with accelerated aging. Rotate between spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard for comprehensive nutrition. Lightly cooking or combining with healthy fats improves nutrient absorption. Aim for 2 to 3 cups daily through salads, smoothies, or sautéed vegetables. How to combine these superfoods for maximum results. Strategic combination amplifies individual benefits and creates synergistic effects. Start your day with bone broth plus lemon juice. The vitamin C enhances amino acid absorption while providing the cofactor needed to convert them into stable collagen. Heat 8 to 10 ounces of bone broth and add juice of half a lemon. Mid-morning, combine pumpkin seeds with leafy greens. The healthy fats enhance absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, while zinc works with vitamin K to support bone collagen. Try a green smoothie with spinach, half an orange, and a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. For meals, pair wild-caught salmon with large salads containing mixed greens and citrus segments. The omega-3 fats reduce inflammation, while vitamin C activates collagen-building amino acids. Evening egg white-based meals provide amino acids for overnight collagen synthesis, as your body does repair work during sleep. People consuming these 6 superfoods consistently for 12 weeks see the most dramatic improvements. Many report initial improvements in energy within the first week, visible skin improvements around week 4 to 6, and significant joint comfort improvements by week 8 to 12. Common mistakes that sabotage collagen production. Too much sugar binds to collagen through glycation, creating rigid, dysfunctional structures. Even natural sugars can accelerate this process. Limit added sugars to less than 25 grams daily. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels that suppress collagen synthesis while accelerating breakdown. Implement daily stress management like deep breathing or meditation. Poor sleep quality undermines collagen production. Growth hormone peaks during deep sleep and is essential for collagen synthesis. Adults getting less than 7 hours show accelerated skin aging. Create sleep-supportive environments and maintain consistent sleep schedules. Excessive sun exposure breaks down existing collagen faster than your body can replace it. Use broad-spectrum sunscreen daily and seek shade during peak UV hours. Many people expect overnight results and give up too soon. Collagen turnover is slow, and visible improvements take 6 to 12 weeks of consistent effort. These 6 collagen-supporting superfoods offer a natural, science-backed approach to restoring your body's strength, flexibility, and vitality. Unlike expensive supplements, these everyday foods work with your body's natural processes to rebuild collagen from within. People who consistently consume bone broth, wild-caught salmon, egg whites, pumpkin seeds, citrus fruits, and leafy greens maintain better collagen levels, experience less joint discomfort, and enjoy more resilient skin as they age. Start with 1 or 2 superfoods this week, then gradually add others. Quality matters more than quantity, so invest in the best versions you can find. Your body has incredible capacity for renewal regardless of age. By providing needed nutrients and avoiding habits that interfere with collagen production, you can support natural healing processes and feel more vital and confident. Which superfood will you start with this week? Share your choice in the comments along with your age. If this information showed you new possibilities for natural healing, smash that like button and share this video with someone who deserves to feel strong and vibrant. Subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss evidence-based health information designed to support your wellness journey. Thank you for investing in your health, and I'll see you in the next video with more natural solutions for thriving at every age.